going to read 2 Chronicles chapter 7, verses 13 to 16. If I shut up heaven that there be no rain, or if I command the locusts to devour the land, or if I send pestilence among my people, if my people, which are called by my name, shall humble themselves and pray, and seek my face, and turn from their wicked ways, then I will hear from heaven, and I will forgive their sins, and will heal their land. Now mine eyes shall be opened, and my ears shall attend unto the prayer that is made in this place. For now have I chosen and sacrificed this house, that my name may be there forever, and mine eyes and my heart shall be there perpetually. Here end the reading.
How you feel? How you feel? Tell me how you feel. Tell me how you feel. Tell me
Okay, folks, we're all ready.
Give God some praise.